You are going to love the 2024 Soul. The Soul is quick and ready with its innovative, catchy style, a sharp, roomy, and well-fitted cabin, and a comprehensive list of safety and fun features. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, privacy glass, front-wheel drive, tires, front all-season, tires, rear all-season, traction control, brake assist, variable speed, intermittent wipers, Bluetooth. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.